ready for smile together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I'm gonna check your attendance first. Is Afifata? Present, Miss. Jaria? Present, Miss. Siti Rafi'ah? Present, Miss. Taskia? Okay, so no one is absent, okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I wanna ask you guys, do you often scrolling TikTok?
Yeah.
What kind of video you usually watch? Anything else?
Dancing.
Oh,
Sing a song.
wow. Okay, so now you have to watch this video carefully, and after that you have to answer my question. My question are, what is this video about? Okay?
Yes, Miss.
Cantik ya, Miss? Iya, pacaran cantik ya. Wah. Okay, so what is this video about?
Daily activity.
Wow, can you give me? Yes, and why did she choose to take that video?
Because it's her hobby.
Right. Okay, now I want you two guys to take notes about these vocabularies. First is scrolling. Second is glow up. Third is insecurities. Fourth is persistence. Fifth is potential. Do you guys already know what's the meaning of this vocabulary?
Belum, Miss.
So, I will explain to you guys. Scrolling is moving through text or graphics on a screen, like you usually do while you scroll TikTok or Instagram Reels, like that. And a glow up is a slang term for a major positive transformation in a person's appearance, confidence, or a style. Contohnya kayak waktu dia awalnya malas buat ngerjain PR, terus dapat motivasi nih, dia jadi rajin buat ngerjain PR. Kemudian insecurities is all feelings of uncertainty or a lack of confidence regarding oneself or one's abilities. Jadi insecurities ini kayak dia merasa minder sama orang-orang, merasa nggak pede. Kemudian ada persistence, the quality of continuing to do something or trying to achieve a goal despite difficulties or opposition. Jadi yang ini tuh kayak semangat dia untuk melakukan tujuannya. Kemudian ada potensial. Potensial ini kemampuan dia dalam melakukan sesuatu. Oke, now repeat after me ya.
Yes, Miss.
Scrolling,
Scrolling.
glow up,
Glow up.
insecurities,
Insecurities.
persistence,
Persistence.
potential.
Potential.
Good job.
Yay.
Okay, now what do you think of this title? From scrolling to creating.
Dia awalnya suka main TikTok, terus dia itu ada kepengen untuk menjadi daily 15-second clip of themselves learning a difficult new skill. Maya looked at her old dusty guitar in the corner of her room. She hadn't touched it in years because she was afraid of sounding bad. Why not? She whispered.
Okay, good job. And then next is Jaria.
Yes, miss. She paused her first video. It was awkward. She made many mistakes and her fingers hurt. She almost deleted it when she saw only 2 likes. But then she remembered the goal of the challenge: growth, not perfection.
Good job. And then next is Vika.
That day after day, Maya uploaded her progress. On day 10, she learned her first chord. On day 20, she could play a simple melody. By day 30, Maya wasn't just scrolling anymore. She was creating. To her surprise, her small community of followers didn't care about her perfect gift or lighting. They were motivated by her persistence. One comment read, "You inspired me to start painting again."
Excellent. Yay. And the last paragraph, what if we read it together?
Okay, yes,
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Maya realized that social media trends didn't have to be about comparing herself to others. Instead, they could be a tool for self-improvement and connection. She still loved TikTok, but now the screen wasn't a mirror of her insecurities. It was a window to her own potential.
Excellent. Now, setelah kamu membacanya, tadi apakah ada kalian kata-kata yang sudah Miss kasih ke kalian? Oke, jadi tugas kalian sekarang harus menuliskan kata itu beserta di kalimatnya di bagian komen. Oke?
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Oke, apakah sudah dikerjakan?
Sudah, Miss.
Nah, dari teks tadi, apakah ada moral lesson-nya?
Ada, Miss.
Tolong disampaikan kata.
Miss, be yourself.
Ya, terus.
Don't listen any kata orang, Miss.
Iya betul, lanjut lagi.
Kita harus selalu konsisten, Miss. Pasti perubahan itu ada. Love yourself, don't insecurity.
Yes. Oke, jadi sekarang saya akan bagi kalian a worksheet ya.
Yes, Miss.
Miss sudah hitung. Udah ngasih tahu pengertian dari vocabulary-nya kan. Jadi kalian ini diisi di task number 1. Ini yang termasuk dari pengertian dari vocabulary itu apa? Oke?
Yes, Miss. Satu aja, Miss, yang dikerjain.
Iya, satu aja. Nanti akan itu ya, ada lagi. Are you finished?
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Miss mau tanya, teks tadi itu termasuk teks apa ya?
Belum tahu ya, Miss.
Oke, jadi teks tadi itu teks naratif. Teks apa?
Naratif.
Kalian tahu nggak struktur dari teks naratif apa? Sama pengertiannya apa?
Belum.
Oke, jadi Miss akan ngejelasin. Tolong diperhatikan Miss Rashid, she was finally reaching her true potential. Nah, gimana kalau kita jawab bareng-bareng?
Boleh, Miss.
Yang satu, what did Happy did Rina have?
Spend hours to scrolling.
Ya, terus.
Comparing herself to others.
Betul. Nah, terus, what were two things Rina felt insecure about? Apa yang membuat Rina merasa insecure?
Her grades and appearance.
Betul. Nah, yang ketiga yang terakhir, what shows that Rina's persistent work?
She had incredible glow up.
Betul. Nah, kalau misal kalian ada di posisi Rina, apa yang bakal kalian lakuin?
Terus try to glow up. Ya.
Betul, iya bisa Kak. Oke. Nah, jadi yang Miss bakal bagi kalian ke kelompok ya. Dua-dua. Nanti kalau udah kalian harus main. Kalian akan maju terus mempresentasiin hasil dari jawaban kalian. Ini buat yang tas number 4. Ini kan suruh apa coba?
Membuat kalimat.
Betul.
Oh iya, Miss.
Nah, disuruh buat kalimat. Kalian boleh buat kalimat sendiri atau kayak modifikasi dari teks tadi, boleh.
Oke, Miss.
Mungkin waktunya berapa? 7 menit.
Boleh, Miss.
Oke, 7 menit ya. Oke. Are you finished?
Yes, Miss.
Nah, sekarang Miss tunjuk aja ya yang maju.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, kelompoknya Vika, ini maju.
Perwakilan atau semua, Miss?
Semuanya aja biar nanti ganti-gantian.
Oke, Miss. Tata spend hours time to scrolling Instagram.
Ya betul.
And then Tata will glow up in next month.
Ya.
Next, dia, Miss.
Iya. Iya, Nak.
Dina had insecurities about her height.
Betul, gitu Bang. Nah, sekarang yang terakhir, tes yang terakhir. Kalian ngasih opini kalian tentang scrolling too much on social media and affect someone's glow up or potential. Kalian agree atau enggak? Terus kenapa? Terus juga, tadi kan bisa udah ngasih vocabulary ya. Kalian pakai 2 aja ya, pakai 2 vocabulary tadi. Nanti di awal kalimatnya kalian bisa pakai in my opinion, I believe, kayak gitu-gitu, oke?
Yes, Miss.
Iya, boleh dikerjakan sekarang.
Yes, Miss.
Iya, oke, boleh dikumpulkan ke depan?
Yes, Miss. Ini saya tunggu di sini.
Iya, boleh.
Saya tunggu di sini, Miss.
Wah, iya. Ya, oke. Nah, jadi hari ini udah selesai. Tapi Miss kasih PR ya.
Yes, Miss.
Nah, tugas kalian gampang banget.
Apa, Miss?
You have to find a narrative text tentang apa? Tentang sosial media. Terus nanti kalian have to write the moral lesson of the narrative text, oke?
Yes, Miss.
Nah, udah ditulis nih, terus bakal dibuat video kalian ngebacain hasil dari moral lesson tersebut.
Oke, Miss.
Apa aja yang perlu ditanya? Apakah ada yang mau ditanyakan?
Oh iya, Miss. Dikumpulinnya kapan?
Nah, waktu pengerjaannya 1 minggu aja ya, sebelum minggu depan.
Oke, Miss.
Nanti dikumpulin di Padlet, oke?
Oke,
Miss
Miss.
bakal kirim linknya di WA.